Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pedro. So guys, as we all know that we used to drop daily updates on boom and crash index strategy on this particular channel, and very powerful indicator that always help our people to make a lot of profit. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the reason why a lot of indicators are not working on your or is not working according to your price action. I'm going to show you why many indicators do fail because of this particular price. Because there's no any single indicator that will go along with your buy and selling zone. There's no particular indicator that will go along. So you have to use a combination of up to many indicators together to find yourself a best accurate result. So I want to show you guys a best strategy that you need if you want to be taking up a successful trade every day. So inside this particular video, I'm going to show you one of my powerful combination indicator that I do make use, and it has been working perfectly for me, guys. So let me show you how this particular indicator works. This is a combination of 4 different indicators together. We can see we have our 2 parallel 9 here, and we have our arrow here, arrow indicator here, that show our this is a buy opportunity, and this is a buy opportunity, and this is a sell opportunity. We have the arrow on the main chart. We have the one that will go for buy, and we have the one that will go for sell. So anytime you are having many of them pull up together, it indicates that you are going to be having a sell, like what you are having here. You can see that it go for long period of time, and also this one also go for long period of time. And also when we come to our window indicator here, we have our 2 perfect indicator window here. We have the trend that show the arrow for uptrend and downtrend. We have that, and we have our signal indicator arrow here, which is our yellow dots that you are seeing here, and we also have our blue dots at this particular area. So I want to show you how to combine all these indicators together and to make a perfect accurate time for you to enter a trade. So this thing is very simple. What you will be looking for is anytime you have your arrow trend that appear on a downtrend, you can see this particular arrow before it moves to this particular zone. Now you can see it appear here and here before. So you have to look it alongside with what you are having on your arrow on your main chart. This arrow need to form together with what you are having here. You have to form when your yellow arrow appear, and when your yellow dot also appear on the main chart. That's to show you that there is an opportunity for you to enter this particular trade. That's to tell you that there's an opportunity for you to enter that particular trade. So if you see now, it works well. So we are going to see now that it aligns with what we are having here before our arrow here move to this particular zone. And this tells us that this is our first confirmation. This is our first confirmation here, and this is our second confirmation. The reason why it is this. I have to tell you the reason why you cannot enter in your first confirmation, and I will tell you the reason why you need to enter in this your second confirmation. So now once you check the alignment, it shows that the yellow dot have already appeared here, and we have our arrow appear at that particular zone. The last thing that you need to check, and you already formed that the cell has already starting to appear. The last thing that you need to check here is, does these 2 parallel lines cross each other? Once they did not cross each other up to that particular moment, then you have to wait till they cross each other. So once you can see that they are on each other at this particular area before starting forming another thing for us on the uptrend. Before we can see now, we can see that they cross each other at this particular area, at this particular zone. So that is to tell you that this first confirmation is not accurate for you to take that sell at that particular moment. So you would have to wait for the second indicator to reappear at this particular zone. And we can see that is the particular spot that we have our downtrend arrow that show on our trend. And that is how we take this massive trend That is how we take this massive trend. And let's talk about this particular second one also for the uptrend. The first confirmation you have to have is to make sure that you have your dots appear for the trend, which is the green arrow appear here for the what? For the trend. And once it appear, your arrow here that you see, which is the blue arrow here inside the indicator window 1, appear also on that particular zone. And once it appear, you have to confirm your what? Your trend at this particular buy area, which is the arrow that is going to show on your main chart. Maybe it appear like this. You can see it appear on the same line. It appear on the same line. So once it appear on the same line, so you are going to check that this is the first confirmation and this is the second confirmation. The first confirmation is you are going to check, maybe you are going to enter in the first confirmation or the second confirmation. This is the first confirmation. We can see that the two parallel lines have not crossed each other. So that is to tell you that you are not yet to cross that particular line. So when you go to the second confirmation, you will see that they are now getting closer and they cross each other at this particular zone. So your entry level now will be when this particular move take place. You can see that, or you wait for another particular arrow sign to what? To indicate for you, and you are going to enter the particular trend. So that is how this perfect combination of indicator works. So you can also get this particular indicator is very avoidable, and it works perfectly according to how I explain inside this particular video. So all what you need to do is to message me on my Telegram group, and I'm going to respond to you, and you're going to get access to this particular indicator. And if you don't understand how this particular indicator works, I can make another video on how it works perfectly. I can make another video on it, on how it works perfectly. So I will drop the link on the description of the video. So what you just need to do is to message me, and you are going to get access to this indicator. So I will be dropping more video on this particular indicator so that you people can see how it works every time. So that you can see how it works every time. Thanks guys. See you guys in our next video.